Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix call fair error on iPhone 10, iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 series after the updating of iOS. I'm not using iPhone 10, iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 but I have a solution for this problem. If you're facing this issue then keep watching this video until the end, and before start please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is launch settings or open control center and enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. After that unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Now we go for solution number 2. Show my caller ID. For that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on phones. Now scroll down and tap show my caller ID. Wait for a couple of seconds and make sure that show my caller ID is enabled. Solution number 3. Reset network settings. Launch settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Open phone app, then tap keypad and dial star hash 31 hash, tap go. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release volume up button, then press and quickly release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. Solution number 6. Check your SIM card. Take out your SIM card and insert it into another phone to check if it's working or not. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.